Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize documents online. Online notarization allows you to get your important papers legally notarized from anywhere, using just your computer or smartphone. This innovative process connects you with a commissioned notary public through secure audio-visual technology. It's a convenient and efficient way to handle your notarization needs, recognized in many jurisdictions, making your life much easier without needing to find a physical notary office. To get started with online notarization, you'll need a few key things. First, ensure you have a reliable internet connection and a device equipped with a camera and microphone. You'll also need a valid government-issued photo identification, like a driver's license or passport, for identity verification. Your document must be in a digital format, typically a PDF. Be prepared for a small fee, usually ranging from $25 to $30 per notarization, payable by credit card. The online notarization process is straightforward. Begin by selecting a trusted online notarization platform. Next, you'll upload your document and complete identity verification, which often involves knowledge-based authentication questions and a review of your ID. Then, you'll connect with a live, commissioned notary via a secure video call. During the call, you'll electronically sign your document, and the notary will apply their digital seal and signature, completing the process in just a few minutes. Online notarization offers significant benefits, primarily convenience and efficiency, saving you valuable time and travel. It provides a secure and legally compliant method for authenticating your documents. However, it's crucial to confirm that the recipient of your document accepts online notarizations, as acceptance can vary. Always choose a reputable platform and verify the notary's commission to ensure the validity and security of your notarized document. This ensures a smooth and accepted transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.